Okay, so as the title of the video suggests, this is kind of the season finale of upgrading the provider to support EF Core 7 and also .NET 7, but it was fairly easy. There's a bunch of other features that are kind of, let's say, optional. So let's jump into it. Awesome. So what I've done a few moments ago is closing finally the EF Core 7 issue, as you can see on the screen, and I merged the changes from the EF7 branch. This is the commit, so you can go through it, check it. Maybe I forgot something, I don't know. Let's check what I run in XUnit. Well, added header or something. Basically, I might have forgot something that was commented out or something, but so far so good. And the only thing that's basically left in here is to, well, wait for the builds to finish. But I also bumped the version to the new 9.2 beta 1. So if I go into the directory build props, you can see it's 9.2 beta 1. As I mentioned in previous streams, I'm still kind of contemplating what the versioning strategy will be, but so far let's keep in the beta aligned with the previous versioning, which was 9.2 alpha something. We can jump into 10 or keep it in 9 after, or even split it afterwards. I will probably think about it after .NET 8, when the .NET 8 comes up, because it's also LTS, so it will be supported a little bit longer. So anyway, what I can do now is call the build script, give it a configuration, which in this case is release. It will build everything that needs to be built, including the NuGet packages. So if I do into this one, we can see we have all these 6 NuGet packages. I can go a little bit higher. I have this script, which I'm not sure I can show on the screen because it's putting out probably the API keys. So I will move it out of the screen and run it. Yes, it's showing API keys because it's my simple script. So it will take a few moments to push everything. Let me clear out the console and put it back, and we can go into a NuGet. Let's put beta 1 in here. It still says 404 not found, so it will take probably a minute or two to process the package and kind of publish it, and it takes, I don't know, like 10 minutes because it's indexing it and everything. But it basically means that now I have a task for you, and that's go there, test the EF7 support in the Firebird, report any issues, preferably in the mailing list, because it's still the beta. It might be confusing later when people are finding these issues on GitHub that it's actually done, and especially if I would be publishing multiple versions, it might be a little bit confusing. So mailing list is preferred way, but if you report it on a GitHub, it's okay as well. And let me know how that works. So let me go in here. We still see the alpha version. Nice. Let's refresh again. Still waiting for something to happen. I will keep the stream running until I see that it's in here, but hopefully it will not take too long. I see I'm also not signed in. Not sure whether that makes sense to be signed in or whether it helps. Probably not. So let's keep refreshing. And let me check my email, because usually when the package is processed by NuGet, I will get an email, and it takes probably a minute or two. And hopefully it will be soon enough, because I don't want to keep talking and nonsense. All right, still not there. Kind of sucks, but that's what it is. So let's give it a minute and we will see. Oh, I'm starting to get the emails. So that's a good sign. It's a symbol package was published. Awesome. So there it is. So we have 9.2 beta 1 available. Go download it, test it, and whatnot. And hopefully there will be no major issues, and I will be able to release the final version soon. And then I will be able to process whatever was this blocking. I was fully saturated with this one. And it's not that far from .NET 8, so I guess EF Core for .NET 8 or EF Core 8 support will come faster than the EF Core 7, and I will see you on the other side. So thanks for watching. If you haven't seen the whole series, then I don't want to say probably do it, because I would guess that's like 24 hours of live stream and me debugging, but you can check some pieces and other stuff inside if you are really interested what it takes to upgrade or even create, because it's more or less the same stuff. The stuff that's not changed can be just easily copy pasted from different providers, from my provider, from the SQL Server or SQLite providers. So you will get a little bit of understanding how the stuff fits together, and maybe you can write EF Core provider for something crazy useful or something like that. With that, thanks for the watching. If you've been watching the previous live streams, that's awesome. And let me know if this makes sense or not. If not, then I will keep chugging, working on the Firebird client. If it makes sense, then I will try to make sure that I'm recording these changes and these works, and that it's actually uploaded, live streamed, or something like that. Thanks. See you next time.